do you agree that strategy is more important than the tactics of just like these little tweaks in your copy and your ad and stuff? Because we will get to this, but like, what do you have to say about that?
100%. Strategy is like, it's the most important thing. And I think prepping your business for Facebook ads before you start running them is also part of this strategy question. So it's like, one of the reasons why I say always go for warm traffic first is because what you want to do is build out a sales funnel, like a sales system, so that you know, okay, somebody's going to join my email list, they're going to get this series of emails or see this series of content, then they're going to get a pitch from me. You want to get a feel for those numbers. So you want to set that all up, get some people to go through that and get a feel for, okay, what's my conversion rate on this? Like, what are my email open rates? What are my click-through rates? But most importantly, what percentage of the people that go through this sequence, however long it is, actually buy from me? Because without knowing that, you can't improve it. And you really want to get traffic through it, improve it to the point where, you know, it's 80-20. Like you've done 80% of the work to improve that, and now you're just doing small tweaks before you go out to cold traffic. And that's why I say start with the warm traffic first, meaning retargeting your existing website visitors. Maybe that's just retargeting the organic traffic getting from Google to start with, because they're the cheapest leads you're going to get. It's the lowest hanging fruit. They're the most likely to convert. So you can push those people through that funnel, get those baseline numbers, improve the sales funnel. And then when you go out to cold traffic, you're not going to get absolutely hung out to dry because you figure out, oh, this, you know, 0.02% of people who go through this funnel actually convert. Therefore, I would need to be buying 50-cent leads, which is unheard of now, in order to be profitable. And then you're back to square one. So that's why this strategy is so important. You kind of build out your funnel, get the cheapest traffic possible through that first to kind of work out what the key points are you need to focus on fixing. And then once you've improved that, then you go, okay, the next step in my strategy is to go out and do these things like promote content, bring in cold traffic and all the rest of it.
Yeah, I really like that. And I kind of feel that when you are targeting traffic that's warm traffic that already is in your atmosphere and in your circle there, they already know who you are. They already have a little bit more trust. So I feel like you can make more, you got more room for error in your sales copy, in your ads and your offer and stuff like that. And you can use them to sort of nail it down without having it to be absolutely perfect to get a conversion. You can have a bit more room for error.